Good morning everyone. Today we are talking about integration of health and well-being concept with different subjects. We can take example from the science. Food chapters is there. While teaching the food, we are talking about fats, mineral, protein and carbohydrates. We can include here the importance of fresh food and we can tell them what to eat, when to eat, how to eat and how much we should eat. That concept can be included. In the same way, the chapter is their respiratory system. While teaching the respiratory system, we are talking about the different organs of respiratory system. So, we can include here, we should do the breathing exercise. The breathing exercise will make us active, energetic and more strong. That can be suggested. The same way, we can talk about the reproductive system. In the reproductive system, especially in the during adolescence age, we can tell them this is not to time for stress, tension or pressure, because this is happening is a natural process. It is a kind of natural process. We should not have any kind of burden, any kind of tension or any kind of pressure. We can tell the importance of cleanliness, hygiene and proper diet during this age. That can be included while teaching the reproductive system. And we can tell this structure of eyes. While teaching the eyes, we are telling about the different organs of the eyes, where we can include the importance of doing exercise of eyes, and we can suggest the concept of distance and proper light while watching movie or while working in the mobile or while working in the laptop. That can be suggested. In the mathematics subject, we can suggest that while teaching the body mass index, the concept of subtraction, division, multiplication is there. When the students are doing the skipping, there the counting concept are there. When the students are performing different asana, that time the different geometrical shapes are available. So, there are so many topics where we can include the concept of health and well-being with mathematics. In the language subject, so many stories and poems are available where we can include the concept of health and hygiene and well-being. For example, wash, 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 wash your face, brush, 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 brush your teeth, and one very good quotations are there. Early to bed, early to rise, making a man healthy, wealthy and wise. That can be included and elaborated in a nice way. So, we can include health and well-being concept in different chapters. While teaching the social science subject, so many topics are available. For example, non-cooperation movement is there, sustainable development is there, Akbar secular policies are there, different wars are there. There we can include the importance of non-violence and peace and how we can become the well-being. That can be included.